Been testing out some new mineral powder concealers and by Simple Beauty Minerals. So I'm going to be testing out a new product. I did test it out this morning and I kind of liked the way that it looked. It's called Catnap Concealer. And this is what it looks like. When you get samples from Simple Beauty Minerals, they come in these little bags and just empty it into there. So that's usually what I will do. The catnap is on the yellowy side. But these powder concealers, they melt right into your skin. And Simple Beauty Minerals has this little kabuki brush. It's like a little kabuki brush. And it's so soft. It really is. And you apply your powder concealer with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip into the catnap. I'm going to put this on. And then I got a couple colors in the powder concealer. I got Fair, which I showed you guys yesterday, which has a little bit of a pinky undertone, which I am a pinky undertone. I'm cool tone. And then I got Fair Medium, and I am going to show you that as well. And I also got what's called the Pink Brightening Concealer in Corrector. And it is pink. It is pink. It looks pink. But when you apply it, it just looks like a brightening agent on your skin. And I'm gonna... is what it looks like. I'm just gonna tap it on the excess. Okay, so we're gonna go over here. And I love this little kabuki brush. It just gets like right in there. And you know what I love about like this mineral concealer? It just like melts. Just melts. What do you think? I'll tell you one thing. I don't think I'm going to go back to liquid concealer. No, I'm not. No. Because you know what? The liquid concealer, you know what I've noticed about it? It gets into the crevices, those little lines that you develop as you get older. There we go. Now I'm going to actually dip into the concealer. And I am going to dip into Fair Medium. Okay? Yeah. Now I always put like a little concealer here and over here. So we're going to put it there. And put a little there. What do you think? Now we are going to brighten it up with the brightening powder right there. Okay? And I brighten right into the corner right here. So here we go. And over here. And over here. And a little over there. Over there. What do you think? Do I look brighter? I mean, I like it. I like it. Like I said, it doesn't get cakey. It doesn't look drying. I think it looks good. I think it looks bright. I think it looks good. It doesn't look dry. It doesn't look cakey. I think it looks good.